Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's May 9th, 10th, somewhere in there, and we've managed to go from 39 degrees in the morning last week to we'll hit 90 again today. So we've gone from spring to summer in about a 3-day time period. What that means is it's time to get the last of the lettuces out before they bolt. Maybe we can get some cabbages, but I don't think they're finished yet. And then we're going to start getting these tomatoes in. So this is Lawrenceville, Georgia. We're zone 7B, 8A, whatever they want to call it. It's been a long cool with lots of hot days mixed in, kind of spring, been typical Georgia weird. And now we have flipped right into 90-degree summer. So we got to get the garden turned over. Time to go pick the lettuces. These lettuces are just incredible. This has easily been with our longer spring in the nicest lettuces I have ever managed to grow outside. Even with a little slug there. Look at that. Is that an incredible head of lettuce? But the heat's gonna totally make them go bad on me. So time to get them out. Here's another big beauty. It's just amazing lettuce for us here in Georgia. Just amazing. Another one. Now this one here looks like it's a bib or a butter crunch. A little different kind. Well, there's a bok choy that's sprouted. There's the lettuce, the flower head. I'm gonna give that one a taste and see if it's gotten, real bitter yet or if it's still edible. Usually when they turn milky like that, they're not good anymore. We'll see. Not too bad. We've got some family coming into town this week. They may all go home with lettuce. Well, the flowers are open, so constitutes one stuffed container of lettuce, and I think I've got some more down in another spot. Yeah, I can see them from here, so I got to go get another container and we'll go get those. Up underneath the trellis, the screen here, there's one. Another nice one. As I said, this kind of a lettuce harvest for me, I've easily got a better lettuce harvest here right now probably than I've had all total in the last 4 or 5 years. That's what got me growing lettuce hydroponically indoors, was because I couldn't get it to grow outdoors. So there's another one down here in the middle of all the weeds. What do you think? Wow, look at that. That's all cabbages. So we'll go start our little search for some more lettuces. There's just a couple more. It's hard to believe. This is incredible. Walk around and grab those. These have all sprouted, so they're probably going to be a little strong. So we'll just pull them. Put them in the compost pile. So here's the second bed of lettuce. Wow, 2 big bins. Okay, this has opened up a lot of space. Get the bottoms of those plants pulled out, put in the compost pile. We'll be moving in some fresh compost, and then these guys will be ready for planting tomatoes and peppers, cucumbers, and whatever else. As you look at this stuff, this is my horseradish. I gave them a couple of big shovelfuls of compost, and obviously with the weather we have right now, the horseradish is just ecstatic. So it's going to be a great garden again this year. And as you can see, it's amazing. This is David at Grow and Eat This. If you hadn't thought about gardening, now's the time. You can get plants, you can get pots, you can get potting soil. Start yourself a garden, get yourself some good food. Thank you for watching.